Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite tutor, USTAZ Digitals, the CEO of USTAZ Digital Academy. This is the tutorial video for our day one training of the 3 days AI Mastery and Graphic Design Bootcamp. So, what we discussed on the day one, it was about prompt mastery, that is, mastering how to create prompt and also how to generate ready to use prompt for designs. So firstly, if you want to create a prompt using ChatGPT, you just need to download the ChatGPT app, or you can use it on web and enter. Then you put this prompt. Just say create a well detailed and professional ready to use prompt for AI product and images to use on Wix. That is, I want to create a prompt that I can customize at any time to create an AI product image using ChatGPT, and also using software like Wix or Ideogram. So here is how it works. You can use this one, you can customize this, you can use this one, it's customizable. Just write the product name and you can create the designs. Don't worry, I have the design gallery, I have the prompt gallery. You can try. I will share it with you guys in the group so that you can use that one to create the designs. Heading over to check how you can use it, you can see it's even explain how to use this prompt. Replace product name with your actual product name, that is anything you want to. So here are some ready to use prompts. You can see here these two ones, 1 2. You can use any of these to create your designs. So I'm going to use this first one. I'm going to use these two to create designs. So here is it. Let me use this one, this example. So we have this now. Let me copy this first example. So firstly, if you want to create this design, just go to your Chrome and search for Wix. Search for Wix. You can decide to search for Wix AI. So if you just search for Wix, you can see this. Then you register, follow the instructions, mark everything, then you log in. So as you can see, it's showing me to register. So I'll just let me use my email to register. So I will log in. If you are registering for the first time, it requires you to accept their terms, some conditions and everything, input your name and everything before you start. So as you can see, I have to accept this time. So you can see experience and shape AI tools for creativity. So I have to mark all this, then click on next. Then again, this review, I have to scroll down like that. That is, if you have time, you can read this if you have time. But I don't have time, I'll just scroll this and click continue. So by continue, you can start creating my designs using Wix. So let's just wait and see. As you can see, I'm already into Wix. Just click on this enter to. So as you can see, I'm entering the two. Then you just need to kind of paste your prompts in the space provided for you to paste your prompts, and you can start your creation Wix. So you put your prompt here. You have to paste the prompt here, the prompt you want to use. Then you select the ratio. Here you select the ratio, landscape, portrait or square. So I'll be using square as example. So by pasting the prompts, the next thing that you need to do is to click on this arrow here. This arrow you can see here, this black arrow with yellow. So just click the arrow and it will start generating your image. So as you can see now, we are already kind of generating our image. So here is the product advert. You can see here is the product advert I created using Wix. You can also create something like this professionally using Wix. So let's try the second prompt generated by ChatGPT. So here's the second prompt. So just come down here and copy the prompt. By copying the prompt, then go head over to Wix. Then replace the prompt here with this previous one. So just highlight, select all, delete, then paste in the prompt. So by pasting the new prompt, you click on this, and Wix will generate another sample of the adverts you want. So you can see here's another sample advert, your sound, your world. So you can create professional designs as well using Wix. So that is all about image creation with Wix. As well, you can animate this with Wix. You can see you can animate it, but for you to animate with Wix, you need to put the design to be in a kind of landscape. As you can see, unable to generate video, so it has to be on landscape. So you come here and select landscape, then you can regenerate the design. So by regenerating the design here, then you can select animate, input what you want to animate, and your animation will be ready. So here is example. As you can see, here is example. So I have example for this. Then you just click on, okay, let me use this one as example. Click on animate. Okay, let's use the word spin, spin and glow slowly. Show a text. Let me say Oraimo. And here's Oraimo moving in a left mark U direction. Let's just make it left mark U direction like this. So by putting this now, you click on this and it will create the animation for you. But normally the animation need to just take some few minutes to complete. Once it reaches 100 and your animation will be ready to download. So that is how to use Wix to generate image and also to animate. Depends on the way you want to animate. You can put a kind of animation you want, put the prompt of the animation, and you can create your animation. So that is all about Wix. So the next we have in our agenda of what we teach in the one class, it was how to use Ideogram. In case you may choose to use Ideogram as an alternative, you can use Ideogram. So let us see. Here is the example. Though it's not even glowing the way I want it, it's just spinning. So just look at this airpod. The airpod will be spinning. So as you can see, it's spinning slowly. So that doesn't mean any. That is not all we are all about here. So just kind of click on download. By download, you have it ready. Then if you want to create design using Ideogram, then you search Ideogram here. Ideogram. So by searching on Ideogram, you click on this. Follow the procedures shown on your screen. Register, choose your username, and it will take you directly to the dashboard. So as you can see now, it is taking me directly to my dashboard because I've already have an account. So almost all of my teammates have already created accounts, so there is no way I can show you how the registration look like, but you can just follow, read it very well, make sure you understand, and create a kind of what design it is. Ideogram is just like a social media app that allows you to create professional AI designs, and also you can choose from what others have created, copy the prompt, remix the prompts, and you can use it at any time. So here is Ideogram. Just look at how it look like. Something like this. You can see this Coca-Cola design. Maybe you may like it and you wanna use it. So it's very easy. You don't need to ask the owner for the prompt. Here we don't ask for prompt. You get the prompt immediately. So just come to the owner's profile. By coming to his profile, you can see here is the prompt. We have the magic prompt and the normal prompt. So you can copy one of these and create it. So let me just copy this. By copying this, you can choose to remix. That is, want to create something more beautiful than this, you can remix, or anyone you wish, but I'm not mixing. So just click on this plus icon to create the design. Paste the design here. As you can see, after pasting, then you can click on generate and it will generate it. Though I don't want to waste more time by maybe changing the color and everything to make it look like Nagos Central, because it's going to be kind of reading before I get to where I want to change the colors. So just click on generate and it will generate the design for you. So that is how to create designs with Ideogram look like. Let me show you some sample designs of what I've been creating with Ideogram. So as you can see, all these ones are some sample designs I've been using Ideogram for the previous years to create magic designs. But nevertheless, this doesn't matter. Wix is more preferable because Wix keep professional designs where in terms of creating designs with Ideogram. In case you may need to want to know how to use this, I'm going to share some prompt with you guys where you can learn this as well. So that is all about this. So let's check out what we just generated so that you can see the sample of how it look like. Okay, I guess the generation has been must be completed. So it's okay, 99% complete. So just 1% remaining. And once it is completed, you can check, and it has some limitations. As you can see, it has some limitations in creating design. So here is what we just created using Ideogram. You can see Feliz Coca-Cola complaint, something like creating a canned Coca-Cola. As you can see it here, just using a professional prompt. You can also create this. Yeah, you can create this with AI. You can use it Ideogram or Wix, anyone you wish to use. You can use it. And when downloading, you can kind of hold it, select the ones you want to download, and click on download, and it will download it to your mobile device. So that is all about creating designs with Ideogram. So that is all about what we discussed in the day one training. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial video. I remain my humble self, the digital USTAZ. This I'm also the director of media and publicity, Nakos North Central. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share on the YouTube button so that you can get more amazing tutorial videos like this.